Warren Jackson, the son of Jim and Lucy Jackson, grew up in Petrie, Alabama, surrounded by a vast support group of relatives and friends. Warren and his brother Bill are the fifth generation of his family to own and operate W.L. Petrie Wholesale Company Incorporated, which was started as a family business in 1898. In the early 1980s, Warren and his brother Bill took Petrie Wholesale in a new direction by developing a business plan to pursue the distribution of wholesale groceries, primarily to service the needs of convenience stores. Through their efforts, Petrie Wholesale has become a leader in distribution throughout the Southeast. Also in the early 1980s, Larry Jones, owner of Cougar Oil Company in Selma, encouraged Warren to join the Independent Oilmen's Association. It was soon apparent to Warren that many benefits would result from that decision. One of the foundations of Warren and Petrie's success can be traced to the vast support and encouragement from the membership of this association. Many long-term relationships have been forged as a result of Warren, Bill, and the entire Petrie Company, and its family appreciates those relationships and their meaning. Warren was involved with the formation of the association's Associate Board of Directors and served as its first president for 2 years, 1991 and 1992. In July of 1991, Warren received the honor of being named the Associate Member of the Year from the Alabama Oilmen's Association. He has served on numerous formal and informal committees concerning conventions, trade shows, and membership expansion. And with the help and aid of his brother Bill, the two were able to bring Petrie's wholesale suppliers into the association as well. Warren has been married for 22 years to Phyllis. They have 2 sons, Judd and Todd, and a daughter-in-law, Kim. Warren and Phyllis have been blessed to see many wonders of the world and continue to travel as opportunities present themselves. Soon to be first-time grandparents, Warren and Phyllis look forward to taking on a new chapter and role in life to assist a new generation by helping pass on their faith in God and family instilled by their parents and grandparents. Warren enjoys many types of cooking and thinks he's good at it. There are many types of music that light up his life as well, including blues, rock, gospel, jazz, and country. He's an avid hunter of big game and fishing of all sorts. He loves passing on the enjoyment of the great outdoors and its activities to anyone that shares that same interest. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Warren Jackson.